Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Mazda CX-5. Stock number is A8543. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires as well. Taking a look inside at the leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. You do have a sunroof up top as well. One more look down the passenger side before we swing around to the back end. On the back you have dual point exhaust, rear backup camera, and this CX-5 is all-wheel drive. Taking a look in the hatch, plenty of storage room here in the hatch. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Taking a look inside, you have the usual power amenities here on the door. Taking a look at the steering wheel here, you have your cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls all mounted right there at your fingertips. Full touch screen that includes your stereo, your dual climate control as well as dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission are all here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Mazda on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.